Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And myself Bala here. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet and also for the next week update. And last week we have only 3 days live session. We find some good opportunity, but last week it was a perfect week and low premium, many more opportunities which we find out. And even our live session, we are finding Chola Finance, Tata Power, and something like Axis Bank and Bajaj Finance, L&T Finance Holding in this tower on Friday. So a lot of opportunity which was generated based on our Google Sheet. It is works based on our advanced option strategy. It is the one of the content where we are funding a stock option positional basis. And this week we find a lot of opportunities and such a perfect trades in BHEL, Sun TV. And I was watching that BHEL around 98 call option around 2 o'clock, 2:30, somewhere else it is triggered, and at the same day it moves our target. And finally, it is now closed at 12 rupees. By using this sheet, whether we can use for an intraday or even positional and weekly positional as well as monthly positional, and we are planning to introduce an intraday that is also be available, and we are waiting for that update on the sheet. And once we got update, we will update that one for a positional strategy and as well as intraday daily opportunities which we can plan with our same strategy what we are used. And this will be an update and a lot of stocks and those who are using our Google Sheet, and that was a great opportunity which we find out. And the next week, one more update. So it's about expiry week, right? And also we are requiring a higher margin to take a trades. Okay. So, but as per the sheet, it's going to be updated for the next week also. But if you wish to try to take a trade opportunity based on the sheet, you can try for an opportunity, but you to take a OTM options. Okay, nearest to OTM option. So for example, we are always playing with the ITM option because it is having a less time value, and we are not affected highly with the time decay because of we are doing in the money. Okay, so if you are planning for a OTM option, it can be increased very quickly and it can be returned back very quickly. That you need to understand from that kind of opportunities if you are playing for a next week. Okay, or if you have a higher margin, you can try with our ITM options itself. And this is what an important update for a next week. And monthly positional. So already we have closed our monthly positional on Friday itself. And whatever the trades we got it almost as of now, so almost 14 stock, which triggers our target in call sale around 11 stock. So almost 25 stock, which given you, but initially in the month of August, we are struggling in the first 2 weeks. But after finally, we have almost 24 stock that hit our positional target, and some of the stocks like 5%, 10%, 20%, which is now trading. And put side also many stock which is more than 30%. That has also given you such a better result as of now. We got a lot of opportunity for this month in the especially on the second and third week, and we are nearing to the ending on the fourth week, and fifth week is the expiry, so we are not going to play with our monthly positional strategy. We are doing only a weekly positional nearby expiry date. Monthly positional we are going to start from beginning of the month. Okay, so and temporary sheet is always now still I'm studying on that, but study the thing is completed, but I'm just looking for to get an update and intraday sheet. That is also we I'm just tracking. And once the update will came, then you will be finding a new sheet for an intraday opportunity. So what sheet is perfectly working right now. So that's in this video, and then now we are going to upload the next one. Okay, so that means we are going to change for a next week data. Okay, so I'm going to update, and I will be finding out some of the illiquid stocks also from this list, and I'm just going to show you that updates. Just wait on. I'm just going to update our sheet. So once the update will be there, so this kind of trades will be not shown here. Monthly positional still be a theme, and weekly and temporary sheet would be updated. So that is the reason. So I am showing making this video for a future reference, how many stocks which triggers and what are the thing which is happening, that to find out that So we are using that one. So that is always works better for us. And maybe next week, expiry week. So better to avoid trading in stock options mainly. Not try to focus on index option, that may be even better. So it is going to be update. Wait a moment. So the data which is loaded, and that we can try, and we will try to find that opportunities, then we can try. Okay. At this moment, please stay on. We will try. So we are running that sheet. So waiting for an update. So once the update is complete, so all the data will be weekly and temporary sheet will be removed from this list, and then we will be getting a fresh data for next month. Okay. So the next week. So as of now, so the update is going on. So we will be getting a fresh breakout. If any stocks which is already triggered our entry point by the opening itself, that may be a not liquid one. So as of our weekly position, so the sheet is perfectly updated for next week. So here you can see our 50%. So when we are going to focus only 100% above. And at this moment, so we have BHL Ultratech. So a lot of list will be there. And from this list, we are focusing for a liquid. Okay. So as of now, we don't have any changes on the monthly. Still the same. And whatever the position which you are looking for on a monthly basis, still it is in the same, and we are waiting on an opportunity on monthly. So we are not going to focus on new opportunity on monthly basis, only weekly and temporary shift, maybe only 4 days for the next week. And as of now, some of the stock, maybe liquidity issue. So I came, India Housing Finance, I came, maybe the stock is not traded and data is right. So let I'm showing you with an example with India Housing Finance, why it is showing you 100%, and I'll claim why it is greater than our point. It's because of the settlement. Okay. So let me compare with the India Housing Finance. So I'm going to open an NLC website. There I can go for a IBUL. So this stock, it's not a liquid mainly. Simply you can avoid this stock. Why? Because of what is the strike price for that? 172.5 IBUL. Correct? 172, is it right? So let me go for checking that. Yeah, previous closing 31st August 172.95. So that's right. So 172.5 call option. So let I'm going to take an August contract. So stock option 2023 170, 31st August, call option 172.5. That is what is strike price. Look at this 172.4.4 is our weekly, and that is temporary entry, that may be. And look at this, it was not traded yet. We can see the price, even it was not traded in this last 2 days, and only one day, maybe uh, one contract, only one lot traded. And even last trading session, that is yesterday also, only one lot traded. So that is why it was illiquid. So open, high, low, close, everything was the same, and last traded price also be the same. But you can look at the settlement price, it's around 5.65. That is called an liquidity issue. The trade which has not happened, but the price increased on settlement basis. Okay, so that is the reason we are not consider this stock, and low liquidity. Only one contract which is traded, it's not good enough. I hope you understand. Same logic for the most of the stocks. If it is illiquid, so like that, why it is more than 6%? It is also not a liquid. MR of 1,08,500 call also be the same, and this kind of stock simply ignored it. From this list, we are going to find out a fresh breakout. That only we are targeting for the next week based on the sheet. As of now, on weekly position, we don't have any issue. And temporary, so we are finding the entry even earlier. So that may be a, if illiquidity and lost traded price and settlement price, that is different. Okay. So which we are finding for India Housing Finance, our entry point is 4.4. That closed by 4.4. Okay. And LTP and settlement price, that is a vary, and due to the liquidity, so we don't find such a big opportunity on this. And even though, so the next week is the expiry week, but we have an update on our Google sheet. I hope you enjoyed the session. And if you have any doubts and questions, just comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.